The spotter is there to support the mortar crew by guarding his flanks and supplying him with information about targets and correcting his aim. A spotter can select the mortar crewman he wants to work with. Each mortar crewman can have only one spotter. Once a spotter selects a mortar crewman, both will be awarded the same amount of points for any kills the mortar makes. To get the points though, the spotter has to continuously supply the mortar with information and also stay within a certain radius of the mortar, about 15 meters. A spotter can select the player he wants to work with if the player is visible and within a 15-meter radius. He does so by hitting the barrel change key, which is B by default, and selecting the player by using the number keys in a way similar to the voice command menu. The menu can be closed by hitting the B key again. Once the player is selected, the spotter enters the main spotter menu. It allows him to give the mortar crewman instructions. The commands on this menu are as follows. Fire, telling the mortar crewman to start firing. Correct fire, telling him if his shells are falling short, much too short, a little to the left or right, or much too far to the left or right, or falling over or way too far over. These options are selected from a submenu. Cease fire, telling the mortar crewman to stop firing. Tell distance or direction. This command passes information about the distance and direction of the target to the mortar crewman. Clicking fire on the target whilst using the binoculars gives an estimate of the distance and the direction of the target. The distance is given to assist the mortar crewman in determining the distance by eye, and the direction is automatically generated by the direction the spotter was looking through the binoculars. The direction will be one of 16 compass points: north, north-northeast, northeast, northeast-east, etc., all round the compass. Select New Link. The spotter starts supplying information to a different mortar crewman within his operating radius. A spotter stops spotting for a mortar crewman when he is too far away for too long, when he doesn't give any information, or when he selects a new mortar crewman. In addition to supplying the mortar crewman with information about the target, another vital function of the spotter is to supply the crewman with ammunition. He can supply him with shells in the same way as men can resupply machine guns, and he can also restock his own supply of shells by going to an ammo cache. In this way he can transport ammunition to the mortar.